Welcome back. Today we're going to see how easy it is to import or build container images using LiCO interface. For this purpose, I will go to the Admin sub-tab, and from there I click on Container Image, and as you can see here, I have a whole list of container images in my system. With the two buttons on the top, we can either import or build container images. With import, I will get a template that allows me to import a container image into the LiCO system. So to locate the file, I will go to my demo assets folder and then to container image folder and select my Singularity image file. I will then click OK. LiCO will then upload it into the system, making it available for the users in the system. Another way is to build it right from LiCO. So a new template will pop up where I can define the name of the image file I want to create. A workspace is where the image file will be saved. The source of the container image could be either a private system image, a Docker registry, or a Singularity library. In this case, I'm going to use a Docker registry, for which I would need an image path. So here, for example, I can just copy the image path. And I can also include more requirements if needed by specifying what kinds of requirements and versions and so on. And then I start building the image from Docker Hub onto the local machine without any difficulty.